Bella, you shouldn't really walk around the woods by yourself anymore. Or at least, not without me.
You don't think I could take care of myself?
I know you can't. And, sometimes, I'm not the most dangerous thing out there.
It was other vampires that killed Waylon, right?
Can you just be more careful?
Maybe my number was up when that van almost crushed me. You know what? Maybe you're just messing around with fate.
Bella, your number was up the first day I met you.
You really want a taste?
Yeah. You fragile little human.